we still get about 500 liters of water per day used just for flushing the urinals. Yeah, we didn't need to know the number of urinals because we know the number of flushes. Now, that said, there are Fermi problems like this where you can start from a couple different places. We could have started from the number of urinals and how often those urinals get flushed. How many times do you figure a standard urinal gets flushed in a day? Does the urinal get flushed once? Does it get flushed 10 times? Does it get flushed 100? And we could take it from that direction. It's a different data set, and we can hopefully arrive at a similar answer. When you've got an option like that, I always feel as though the thing that you can be a little bit more certain on your estimate of is probably the better place to start. I don't know how often a urinal gets flushed every day, but I have a pretty good sense of how often students go to the bathroom. So that's a probably firmer ground for starting an estimate. There are some homework problems assigned in the grid you will notice. They are from the chapter review. They are Fermi estimates. You will hate them. You should try them all tonight. I'm not trying to promise things I can't deliver on. I can deliver on this. You're going to hate them. You should try all of them tonight. You should look at them. You should try to make some of your baseline estimates on Fermis. And tomorrow, we're going to work through them in probably the last 15 minutes or so. We'll actually grade them by sharing our estimates. The biggest thing I can stress to you in doing Fermis, this is the part that the smart kids hate, and you're all the smart kids. But what's the right answer? But what's the right answer? I don't know, sweetheart. No, Moser, what's the correct answer? Still don't know, no matter how many times you ask me, not going to make something up. The book will have an answer. Sometimes I disagree strongly with the book's answer. What I have stressed is when we're doing Fermis, because you'll have some Fermis on your test, what I'm really grading you on is your assumptions. Give me those underlying assumptions. Show me that those are rational. Show me that there's something you can hang data on. Don't pluck something, how many leaves are in Columbiana County? Well, I assume that there are 10 to the 6th trees in the whole county. How the heck did you come up with that? Do I believe that you can figure out, the footprint of an individual tree? Yeah, you've seen an individual tree. You can get a good estimate of that. Do I think you can come up with the footprint of Columbiana County? Yeah, I do. Do I think you can jump straight to the number of trees in Columbiana County? I think that you are drifting and dreaming, and, you need some solid anchoring. So tie assumptions to the most concrete things you can. That make sense? Okay. Work on the Fermis. You're going to hate them. FIP quiz on Fermis is Friday. And then we'll wrap up a few concepts. I think Monday is your test. So we'll FIP on Fermis on Friday. And then I think we'll wrap up any other concepts we need to tie up loose ends on and get you ready for a test on Monday.